Let's show you an example of a blocker on the roundabout. Now, as we come up at the moment, it's completely clear on the right. What's going to cause us a problem is the vehicle coming from ahead. So if he's coming round this way, we're going to have to stop for them. So we're coming up slowly, just seeing what they're doing. They do have a signal on to say they're coming round. They're already on the roundabout. Now they're at the 3 position, because remember, with a roundabout, we think of it as a clock, 3, 6, 9, and 12. So the danger zone is between 3 and 7. So because this car is in that, we have to give way to them. But what we're looking for then is a gap after the car. Now, at the moment, we've got a blocker coming from the left in the form of this lorry. This vehicle now has to wait for this lorry to come across. The lorry is going to block this car. So as they come round, we can see the car has stopped to give way to the lorry. So the lorry is blocking them. It's still clear on the right. The car has now cleared the danger zone. Do you notice the lorry is completely blocking the car opposite? So we know it's safe for us to go. And that's how we can use blockers on roundabouts to help us to find a safe gap.